Good morning, everyone. Today I will be discussing the topic of my seminar on photodynamic and photobiomodulation therapies in minimally invasive dentistry. Introduction: Light based therapies revolutionizing dentistry. This seminar explores the transformative impact of photodynamic therapy and photobiomodulation therapy in modern dentistry. These cutting edge, non invasive approaches leverage specific light wavelengths to initiate beneficial biological responses, offering a paradigm shift in how we manage oral health. Harnessing light for healing. Photodynamic therapy and photobiomodulation therapy represent innovations adjunct to traditional dental treatments, providing novel solutions for complex clinical challenges. They act as targeted biological responses by precisely controlling light delivery. These therapies promote tissue regeneration, mitigate inflammation, and effectively combat pathogenic microorganisms without the need for invasive procedures. Minimally invasive philosophy. Their non surgical nature aligns perfectly with the principles of minimally invasive dentistry, focusing on preserving healthy tooth structure and soft tissues while maximizing the therapeutic outcomes. Photobiomodulation therapy. Mechanism of action. Photobiomodulation therapy utilizes low level laser or LED light, typically in the red to near infrared spectrum, that is 600 to 16 to 1060 nanometer, to stimulate cellular function. The primary mechanism involves the absorption of photons by mitochondrial cytochrome C oxidase, a key enzyme in electron transport chain. This absorption leads to increased adenosine triphosphate production, boosting cellular energy. It also manipulates redox signaling, leading to enhanced tissue repair, significant reduction in pain and inflammation, and beneficial immunomodulatory effects. PBM is FDA approved for pain management and has wide applications in dentistry, including treating dentinal hypersensitivity, oral mucositis, promoting nerve regeneration, and accelerating bone healing post extraction or implant placement. Next, coming to the photodynamic therapy principles and clinical use. Photodynamic therapy offers a highly targeted antimicrobial approach. It involves the application of a non toxic photosensitizer plant such as methylene blue, which preferentially accumulates in the microbial cells or inflamed tissues. Upon activation by a specific wavelength of light, which is commonly 660 nanometer, the photosensitizer generates reactive oxygen species, inducing singlet oxygen. These reactive oxygen species cause oxidative damage, leading to the selective destruction of pathogenic microorganisms while sparing host cells. PDT is particularly effective in various antimicrobial applications, including the management of periimplantitis, advanced caries, and thorough endodontic disinfection. A scientific advantage of PDT is its ability to reduce reliance on systemic antibiotics, thereby mitigating the growing global concern of antibiotic resistance. Clinical applications in minimally invasive dentistry. Both PDM and PDT offer distinct yet complementary benefits that profoundly impact minimally invasive dental procedures, enhancing patient outcomes and streamlining clinical workflows. PBM for enhanced healing. PBM significantly accelerates the healing process following surgical interventions such as gingivectomy or frenectomy. It actively reduces post operative pain, swelling, and discomfort, leading to faster recovery times. Furthermore, PBM plays a crucial role in implantology by enhancing osseointegration, ensuring better stability and longevity of dental implants. PDT for targeted antimicrobial action. PDT provides a precise and powerful antimicrobial effect in periodontal therapy and during the maintenance phase of implants. Its ability to selectively eliminate harmful bacteria without causing collateral damage to surrounding healthy tissues make it invaluable tool for managing infections and preventing recurrence. improved patient experience. Together, these therapies contribute to improved patient comfort, reducing anxiety and pain associated with dental procedures. Their integration often leads to reduced chair time for patients and fosters greater acceptance of minimally invasive treatment modalities, ultimately enhancing the overall patient experience. Case study spotlight Hulbo system in regenerative dentistry. The Hulbo system exemplifies the synergistic application of light based therapies in clinical practice. This advanced device delivers specific 660 nanometer photonic energy which serves a dual purpose antimicrobial PDT. It effectively activates methylene blue, a photosensitizer, to induce a potent antimicrobial photodynamic effect, targeting bacterial pathogens with precision. Photobiomodulation therapy. Simultaneously, the light provides direct photobiomodulation effects, stimulating cellular activity and promoting tissue regeneration. Clinical outcomes using the HELBO system have been highly encouraging, demonstrating significant benefits. Reduced complications associated with periimplantitis, accelerated bone regeneration through direct osteoblastic stimulation, crucial for successful implantology, noticeable decrease in post operative analgesic needs, improving patient comfort. This case study highlights the practical integration of both PDT and PBM for comprehensive tissue management and superior clinical results in regenerative dentistry. Evidence and challenges. Current research landscape. The scientific landscape surrounding PBM and PDT in dentistry is dynamic, with a growing body of evidence supporting their efficacy, yet presenting specific challenges that warrant careful consideration. Promising evidence. Systemic review indicates promising in vitro and early clinical results for both therapies across various dental applications. Their potential to reduce bacterial loads and enhance healing is increasingly recognized. Standardization needs. The ADA technical report underscores the critical need for standardizing dosing, precise training methodologies, and clear safety guidelines. Such standardization is vital to optimize clinical efficacy and ensure reproducible results. Heterogeneity in protocols. A significant challenge lies in the heterogeneity of the treatment protocols across studies. Variations in light parameters, photosensitizer concentrations, and application techniques limit the ability to draw definitive, broad, applicable conclusions. Barriers to adoption. Despite their benefits, widespread adoption in private practice faces barriers primarily related to the initial cost of specialized devices and the limited availability in all regions. Addressing these economic factors is a key to broader integration. Safety and regulatory concerns. Both photobiomodulation and photodynamic therapy are distinguished by their exceptional safety profiles, provided they are applied within the established parameters. Understanding the regulatory landscape and emphasizing proper training are crucial for optimizing and safe clinical outcomes. Non-thermal and non-invasive. A key feature of the PBM and PDT is their non-thermal nature, meaning they do not generate significant heat that could damage tissues. This makes them inherently non-invasive and gentle on the oral structures. External safety profile. When used strictly according to the recommendation guidelines, both therapies have demonstrated excellent safety records with minimal side effects for complications. Critical training. Proper training is paramount. Clinicians must possess a thorough understanding of light tissue interaction, acute dosimetry, and safe device handling protocols. This ensures effective treatment and prevents any potential for ineffective outcomes or unintended tissue responses. Regulatory approval. Regulatory bodies such as FDA in the United States have provided specific approvals for various PBM and PDT devices and their indications. These approvals lend significant credibility and support to their clinical use. bolstering confidence among practitioners and patients alike. Future directions and innovations. The horizon for the light based therapies in dentistry is bright, with ongoing research and technical advancements poised to unlock even greater potential and integration into routine clinical practice. Biomaterial synergy. Future innovations will focus on integrating advanced biomaterials with light therapies. This synergy promises significantly enhanced regenerative outcomes, particularly in complex bone and soft tissue repair, by optimizing the cellular environment for healing. Digital integration and personalization. The integration of PBM and PDT with digital dentistry platform is a key trend. This will enable personalized dosing protocols based on individual patient needs and real-time tissue responses, leading to improved predictability and efficacy of treatments. Stem cell modulation. Cutting edge research is exploring the precise effects of light on stem cell modulation and immunoregulatory pathways. Deeper understanding in these areas could dramatically expand the therapeutic scope of PBM and PDT, opening doors to novel regenerative and anti inflammatory strategies. Conclusion. Photodynamic and photobiomodulation therapies stand as pivotal advancements in modern dentistry, offering a suite of safe, effective, and patient friendly options that powerfully complement conventional treatment modalities. Alignment with minimally invasive goals. Their inherent ability to effectively reduce inflammation, promote rapid healing, and precisely control infection aligns perfectly with the core tenets of the minimally invasive dentistry. They provide powerful tools to preserve natural tooth structure and surrounding tissues. Enhanced patient experience. These therapies contribute significantly to a superior patient experience characterized by reduced discomfort, faster recovery times, and often a decreased reliance on systemic medications. Future proofing dentistry. The continuous investment in research, comprehensive education for practitioners, and ongoing technological development will undoubtedly cement their role as indispensable components of the standard dental care. Embracing these light based therapies is not just an advancement but a commitment to the future of dentistry. Thank you so much.